I've always been drawn to the physicality of writing and the tactile dance where ink meets paper and ideas take shape. A good tool isn't just functional, it's personal. And there's a quiet joy in things that carry the weight of time and promise to accompany you for decades to go. Something I really wish was true from my aluminum ruler. It has this very special design that lets you use it as a bookmark. It's almost razor thin and super light, but time, that relentless editor, left it dented and bent, too frail for the long haul, especially inside a traveler's journal. And rulers are such a simple tool that most people probably never even think twice about, when in fact there's so many different options and factors to consider. For example, something as basic as size. Need something portable for your jacket. How about the full-size 30 for home and office? Then you have to pick what material, the color, and special features. Way too many choices. So I went back to basics. Raw, untreated brass. No gimmicks. Just a warm golden half that doesn't just survive years of use, it thrives, developing a unique patina that tells a story and is as individual as your handwriting. There's something almost ceremonial about laying it on the page. It adds a whisper of timeless elegance, even to the most mundane tasks. True, there's no rubberized grip, but it's steady in the hand and doesn't slip. The etched markings are sharp, precise, and built to last. Time won't rob them out, no matter how many times you drag it across your travel journal or pocket. And since they're not made by some pretentious hipster traveler's heritage company, which probably still makes everything in China or quite dropships it, the pricing might surprise you. As you can see, I got one for under $2, and that's without any special sales or coupons, just on the coins page. That's on Aliexpress. Purchase links will be in the video description. And speaking of Aliexpress, they have a ton of affordable leather pencil cases. Honestly, I was rather skeptical, so I ordered a bunch in different colors, and it's actually pretty good. Usually using the very durable Crazy Horse leather, where scratches and abrasions cause color light variations. And to enhance this effect, I usually like to apply some moisturizer and then a layer or two of wax on top. And if you like the 15cm brass ruler, this one is pretty much a match made in heaven. It fits right into the loop, as if it was tailor-made. A word of caution, if you're a fountain pen lover like me, if you have a golden nib, don't use it with any metal ruler. Gold is soft. Please like, comment, subscribe. Use my affiliate links in the description or donate directly. This was Alex Crane, over and out.